Key, a credit card, points and miles enthusiast and travel lover. On my channel, I discuss the mistakes I've made, my future travel goals, and overall credit journey since 2016. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have you heard the saying, strike when the iron's hot? Today, I want to talk about some of the additional tools I use and how to put all of this stuff to practice when you find exciting flight deals, or you maybe need some last minute travels, or you're flexible with your travels. No matter what, I think the concepts behind this are going to be something that you can use in burning down and spending down some points, especially if there's ones that you're like, dang, I've had these for a number of years and I'm not quite sure how to use them. Here's how a method that I employ when I'm like, hey, I'm pretty flexible. Let's see what the options are. So let's dive right in here. Here's what I'm going to start with. First and foremost, I subscribe to a newsletter, which is offered by Thrifty Travel. I'm not sure if you've heard of it before, but ultimately, what this is a subscription service where they do all of the research for you. They scan the internet. They provide insights into when there's maybe mistake fares, or just, you can see this one here is called the unicorn fare, for example. They will tell you, hey, we found this really hot deal and we want you to strike while the iron is hot. Now, in this example for today, I don't know by the time, if you're watching this video, if this is going to still be live and able to be booked, but here's what you can do. I'll put my referral link down to the Thrifty Traveler newsletter premium service. It is a small fee compared to what you get. So this is saying there's a unicorn fare, and it kind of tells you what a unicorn fare is. We've never seen Delta list identical pricing for basic economy and main cabin. Act fast, this may not last. With this Thrifty Traveler Premium, and I'm not sponsored by them, y'all, so please go ahead and use that referral link down below, and maybe one day we can get a sponsorship from Nick and the gang over there. But this one, I got a text message. I'm subscribed to their text messaging service, and this one said, Thrifty Traveler Unicorn, Delta Sky Miles to Europe under 28,000 Sky Miles round trip. Less if you have a Delta Sky Miles account, Sky Miles credit card, because you get that 15% takeoff 15 rebate. Okay, so you've been staring at this for a while. I'm going to just scroll down here, right? So y'all know I live outside of Boston, and I just quickly came to this listing and wanted to see, is Boston included? Yes, it is. And the star means there's nonstop options here. So I'm just going to scroll down and see which European cities this deal is applicable to. So here's what I did. My next step, after reading through this newsletter, I was so excited. I was like, I don't know if I'm going to take this trip, y'all, but I'm going to book it, and it's going to be refundable because I'm booking it with points. Okay, so boom. My very next step is I went to my local airport. So that's Boston, Bravo, Oscar, Sierra, airport Wikipedia page. Every airport has its own Wikipedia page. And what you're looking to go to when you get to your home airline, or an airline or a airport that was in that newsletter, you'll want to go to airlines and destinations. Now, I knew this was a Delta Sky Miles deal, so all I did was just scroll down here to Delta. This listing on your home airport page or any airport page is just showcasing all of the nonstop options that this flies from your home airport to these destinations. So I just compared this listing to the one that was in that email that I showcased before. And a couple highlights here. I saw Amsterdam on the list. I've gone to Amsterdam. It would be cool to go again. It's a quick flight from Boston. I saw Paris on the list, so Charles de Gaulle. I saw Rome. I saw basically kind of everything here. Barcelona. I saw Lisbon. Just kind of naming a few as I'm kind of scrolling through this list. I think that's all I can remember. But nevertheless, I was looking for nonstop options to go to Europe because, being on the East Coast, like, I don't want to have a layover to go to Europe. You know what I mean? It's like basically for me, flying from Boston to Las Vegas, it's that same distance. So after I did that, after I had that, I now went to the Delta page and I was like, okay, I know I want to go to Amsterdam, Lisbon, Paris, France, or one of those other European countries on that list. So step 3, now it's time to put all that to use. got the newsletter, understand the locations. I now understand which places from Boston have those nonstop options. And now I'm just going to search the Delta website as quick as possible because this is a unicorn fare. It's possible this is a mistake. It's possible so many other options and variables here. So I just came in here. Let's just search from Boston to France here, and I just put in some random dates. It's important, separate video that I'll do. It's important to get comfortable with these websites, but we'll talk about that another time. I basically said, hey, I want to pay with points because of that. It said it was a points only deal. And then I put my dates are flexible. So that way, when I search on Delta's website here, it's providing me a full calendar listing of the dates that are available with that pricing. So actually, since I checked it, it's already gone up. It was 22,000, even with that takeoff 15, and I can see it's kind of increasing here. So you can kind of play around with this. You can go with the flexible dates like I did. You can go with the price calendar. If you're like, hey, I know the deal is sometime in April. Let's just see all the dates in April, for example. So I'm going to actually switch to the pricing calendar here. And hopefully this deal is still live. You guys are seeing me do this live about 15 minutes after I booked my flight. So yeah, a lot of options are already gone here. I'm going to go ahead. Let me see. Are there any in like early April? Dang. Yeah, it's quick. It's quick. So you got to act hot. Act while strike while the iron's hot. That's the theme of this video here. And I can see the Delta website's a bit slow. I bet you they're updating these prices, y'all. So, okay. Less dates than before, but I'll just say, let's go. Let's select this. Let's try this out. So this is from Boston to Charles de Gaulle here. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. If I wanted to leave on a Friday. Oh, okay. Here's the thing, y'all. I don't want to do a layover. So let me go back. I can see, right? Before I made this video, I booked my flight because I had a feeling these were going to change. I only want to see the nonstop option. So let me go back here on this Delta pricing calendar, and I may even change the city here because what are some of those other cities in the newsletter? Let me go to Lisbon, for example, if this is taking forever. What you want to do here is just switch on to the nonstop filter. But yeah, I can see, guys, this cleared up fast. There were so many dates on this thing. Okay, all right. If I go back into what is this, March maybe? Okay, this isn't so bad. So maybe I go Saturday. Boom. Let's check out that. 28,000 still not terrible. So this is nonstop from Boston to Charles de Gaulle. Hey, listen, the price increased since I personally booked the flight that I'm going on, but this is a pretty smoking deal. This leaves Friday night and comes back. When is this? Monday? I think this is a Monday. Let me just double check that. Tuesday. So you probably would only need to take off 1 or maybe 2 days of work, because that Friday, you can work all day Friday and then, get to the airport, do your thing because the flight's at 8 p.m. So you good. And then come back on Tuesday. How sick is that? And you can play around with those dates. I just did one city and I'm very particular. I wanted nonstop options. So Charles de Gaulle, which is in Paris, the airport in Paris, Rome, Italy, Lisbon, Portugal, Barcelona, Spain. I forget the other. Oh, and Amsterdam, Netherlands. So those were the options I had out of Boston. I hope you're able to book this. And please, if you are considering utilizing Thrifty Traveler, go ahead and grab my referral link down below and drop an airplane emoji. I'm going to post this as quick as possible. Have a good night and safe travels. See you in Europe.